Okay, so what is an example, like a case study of a case of back pain in a CrossFitter that you had recently that you could walk them through so they have an expectation of when someone can return to CrossFit?
Sure. A lot of times it's a patient that's coming in after hurting their back deadlifting. A lot of times this happens multiple times. So first phase, really, I just want to calm the irritation down, get a lot of blood flow, a lot of good movement in there. Second thing is I want to increase the proprioception of lumbar flexion. So we're going to work a lot of like fun banded cat and cows and all that good stuff. If irritability is coming down, they're feeling a little bit better, then we're going to load into flexion. That's kind of like my cherry on top at the end of it. And then we try to return them to sport appropriately.
And it varies between cases. Some are 1 week, some are 4 weeks.
Yeah,
sometimes.
For sure.
Perfect. So if you're a CrossFitter and you're struggling with back pain and you're not getting results, you can give us a call today at 407-494-8835 or visit our website at pursuittherapy.com. And thanks for tuning in.